Should we be worried about data centers' energy usage getting pushed back by the communities where they are built? I see the bipartisan efforts against data centers' energy usage and the effect on utilities costs to communities. And seems like this could be a major political issue in the near future, and that AI and the data centers will face. Well, if you're in California, like I am right now, you have a company called PG&E that keeps jacking cost of electricity, and literally nobody is setting up data centers in California. It's too expensive. They can't afford the electricity. But do the communities complain? They should be complaining a lot more, as rates went from like 15 cents a kilowatt hour to 45 cents in a very short window of time, and will continue to go up. But that's not because of data centers. It's because of corruption and monopolies and no free market. And that's the biggest problem. But let's talk about AI data centers. Yes, they will require 10 to 50 times more energy than traditional cloud data centers because of the intense processing. And they will be consuming over 10% of US electricity by 2030. But as I always say, systems will grow to scale to meet demand. Yes, there'll be some bumps along the way, but I think they'll be able to make it happen. And yes, there will be community concerns. And yes, we even have state level actions like Iowa and Georgia have imposed moratoriums on new data centers, and data center energy use is emerging as a political issue, just like we used to hear the same old BS with Bitcoin mining. Oh, it's going to boil the oceans. Well, data centers are like 100 times worse than Bitcoin mining, just for perspective. Now, there's a couple of things that are happening. The industry, like XAI and Google, they are building their own solar projects, their own maybe leveraging some nuclear. You have Elon Musk. He bought a gas turbine, another power generation business or whatever factory, and he's disassembled it and rebuilt it in the US. So there, a lot of these players are building their own energy supply, clean energy supply, and not even relying on the existing grid. We're going to see a lot more of this happening. And there will be more stricter regulations, of course, and intense debates, but it shouldn't really impact the prices. The prices have tripled without data centers and AI, for example, in California, and they're going up across the board. And maybe a lot of these utilities would just point the finger and say, it's not us gouging you, it's AI, which they'll do as well. So don't worry about it too much.